Yeah, so guys, yeah, this is it. This is the cocoa beans just fermented. Yeah, there's the inside of it. It is very hot. In fact, when you put something in it, it will cook. Like let's say cocoyam or plantain. When you put it inside, it will cook. Yes, it has fermented. So I'm now coming to separate the beans. Yeah, like this one. I'll do it like this. You see, cocoa business is not easy. You see this one. I'm coming to remove all of this from the beans. You see, all of this. I'm coming to remove all these things. I'm coming to remove all these things. You see, before you can dry it. So if you see the cocoa, you don't know the process that it goes through before it come to market. So when we are talking about cocoa producing, answer, it's not easy. This one, before you remove all of this from the beans, it will take you several hours before you can finish. You see, it's not easy at all.